So now let's talk about entering supply and demand trades. So our entry signal, let's say everything else we've already verified. Let's say we verified the strength of the move, the freshness, the risk to reward. It broke in a structure level. It was also in line with the higher time frame. Now we can enter from candles as well as lower time frame structure. So first we're going to talk about the candles. Lower time frame structure I'll get into when I break down the different setups in my trading system. So the top 6 candles for entering supply and demand. You can literally enter based off of candles when it's in the demand or supply zone. So the top candle that I love to see, I get happy when I see this candle in a supply or demand zone. And that's the bullish or bearish pin bar, okay? When I see these candles inside of a demand or supply, I get happy because it is aggressive buying or aggressive sellers that form these types of candles. Because if you remember, price went down. It was going down. Price was going down. So this is the lowest point that price was at. And an aggressive buyer comes in potentially and pushes the market back the other way, in the other direction. So this is a great sign that price is going in the other direction. Another one that I like to see is the Dragonfly Doji or Gravestone Doji. Same logic as the pin bar over here, right? This should be the same opening and closing price, right? Price went down and rejected. Buyers are there. And this is a strong candle to see in the demand zone. This one likewise is a strong candle to see in supply. The bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing in supply, A1. If we see these in supply, that's a good hint that we are going in the right direction. If we see the inside bar, or what is referred to as the harami, bullish inside bar, bearish inside bar inside of a demand or supply, that's a great sign. The morning star and the evening star, another great sign. Tweezer bottoms, tweezer tops, I love to see these inside of the demand and supply. These are all the different candles that you may see. So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so we have a demand zone here. Here we have a morning star. So this is a sign that price is going up. Big bullish engulfing, massive candle. This is also a sign that price is going up. Okay, here we have a pin bar. So what we'll learn also is that the pin bar appear bearish, but this is actually a pin bar that's signifying that price rejected here. So this is a sign that price is going up and we can enter into this trade. So let's look at a supply zone. So we look at this supply here, rally, base, drop, okay? Tweezer tops at the top here, bearish pin bar. We gotta shoot it. No questions asked, nothing else to see. We have to shoot. Another example here is the inside bar. Strong demand zone, rally, base, rally. So that's a strong demand. It broke this resistance over here. So when it comes back and gives us a inside bar, this is saying that there was strong supply coming. This supply was absorbed. Price could not push further. So this is a sign to say that price was not strong enough to break, and this demand is potentially going to rise. So this inside bar was formed, another bullish candle. This is good enough to see inside of the demand for us to enter. So now open up those charts. Go look at those supply and demand zones. See what type of candles you see there. These are powerful combinations, and we are going to dive deep into the trading system, where I'm going to share the A setups that consists of supply and demand. But until then, till you reach that video, go do some testing on your own, identify supply and demand zones, put your comments and your questions in the comment section. See you in the next video.